Hello guys, today we're gonna discuss how do we use VLOOKUP, right? So to start with, I'll tell you what is VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is something which we use to find a value which is present in a table, right? And VLOOKUP works vertically. That's why it was named VLOOKUP. In VLOOKUP, V stands for vertical. It will only search value vertically, right? And that's why I have given this arrow for your understanding, right? Now, this is the VLOOKUP sentence where we begin with equals to, and then we put VLOOKUP and then braces and then lookup value, where lookup value means what do you want to search in the table, right? Table array is something where do you want to search the value. So for us, table array would be this table, right? Then column index, as I told you that VLOOKUP works vertically, so it needs to have the table as consist, like table has column, right? And it has index number, right? So it begins with 1 2, so the column name would be called 1, sales would be 2, commission percentage would be 3, and then commission would be 4, right? And then range lookup, so here we have two values, right? 0 and 1, where 0 stands for exact match and 1 stands for approximate match. Most of the times we use 0 because for most of the analysis we want the exact match, right? So let's suppose here I have the name, right? And I want to find out the commission for these salesmen, right? So what do we do? Let me put a let me begin in the column D, right? So let's put equals to, then VLOOKUP, then lookup value would be A17, then comma, then this would be our table array, then column index would be 4 because we want the commission, right? And we want exact match, so 0. Then we'll close the braces and hit enter. Since we want the commission to be in a format where it is currency, right? So we'll copy the format and paste it here, and then for the rest of the data we'll just drag it down, right? Now let's suppose I want a system where I need to have a system where I just need to change the lookup value, and it gives me the commission and sales for that salesman, right? So I have added data validation into this cell. Now what would I do? I'll change the name to Avinash Pant, and see, commission and sales would automatically update for this, right? The formula is same, right? The formula is same, VLOOKUP, and then I just need to update the lookup value, right? So thank you, that's it for VLOOKUP. We'll discuss if statement in our next video. And if you like my videos, then please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Thank you.